In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship Taobao to Shopee 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your store, source products from Taobao, fulfill orders smoothly, and keep customers happy. Start by creating your Shopee seller account. Use the Shopee app or the Seller Center, tap Sign Up, and register with a phone number or email. You'll be asked for a valid ID and a bank account or e-wallet so you can get paid. After that, build out your shop profile with a clear logo and description, and configure your shipping options. Enable the couriers that serve your region, set realistic handling times, and make sure your return address is correct. Getting these basics right prevents delays later. Next, head to Taobao and search for products that are trending or consistently in demand. Focus on items with high ratings, solid reviews, and a reliable seller track record. Compare prices across multiple listings to find an affordable option without sacrificing quality. Check real customer photos, sizing details, and order volumes, and consider using a translation tool to read descriptions if needed. Sticking to generic, unbranded products reduces listing risk and speeds approval on Shopee. Decide how you'll fulfill orders. The recommended route is using a Taobao agent or forwarder. A good agent can place orders on your behalf, perform basic quality checks, combine packages, manage international shipping, and help with returns. Alternatively, you can ask a supplier to ship directly to your customer, but not all suppliers support blind dropshipping. If you go direct, confirm they can omit invoices and any branding, and clarify processing and transit times up front. Create your product listings in Shopee Seller Center by selecting Add New Product, upload clear photos, write a concise keyword-rich title, and include a helpful description that covers materials, sizing, what's included, and expected shipping timelines. Set the price and add variations like size and color. Accurate attributes reduce returns and improve search visibility. Price your items using a simple formula: product cost plus international and local shipping plus Shopee fees plus your profit. Factor in currency conversion and any agent service charges. Aim for a margin that stays competitive even during vouchers or promotions. When an order comes in, copy the customer's details exactly, place the order on Taobao or through your agent, and enter the customer's address. Once the supplier or agent ships, upload the tracking number to Shopee promptly so the buyer can follow along. Keep an eye on delivery progress, send courteous updates, and step in quickly if you spot delays or exceptions. After delivery, confirm receipt and invite feedback. Finally, provide responsive customer service. Reply to messages quickly, handle refunds or returns according to policy, resolve complaints professionally, and protect your shop rating by keeping communication clear, friendly, and solution-focused.